Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Diaz and welcome to my one episode about European Portuguese for beginners. I hope you are enjoying this saga so far, and if you are new, welcome, and I hope you will enjoy this episode. In this episode I will keep on with numbers. In the previous one I teach you to count 1 to 5, and in this episode I will teach you count 6 to 10 and give you in each number an example of application. Um, Also, in this episode, if you don't want to watch this entire video, this episode will end into number 10. But if you want to watch the whole thing, I will teach you some words about a song. This time I will pick a song and I will translate entirely in the description or comment. But in the second part, I will teach you 5 new words randomly, and the last part is how to be a tudo. So it's a classic. So we'll start with 6, and in Portuguese is seis. You can say something like eu tenho 6 amigos, or if your 6 friends are females, all of them, you can say eu tenho 6 amigas. 7, eu tenho 7 papagaios e tenho 7 papagaios. 8, e tenho 8 pássaros e tenho 8 pássaros. 9, eu tenho 9 ursinhos de peluche e tenho 9 ursinhos de peluche. 10, what I can show to give you the example. Eu tenho 10 rosas. Eu tenho 10 rosas, and it's not even Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. So this is the second part. As a promise, I pick a song, and this time I will introduce you the greatest António Variações, and the name song is Canção Vingado, and I will put also in the description or maybe in the comments the link to you to if you want to listen. And as a promise, I will give you 5 words. I pick 5 words randomly, and I will translate that words. And but don't worry, I will translate the entire thing. I keep repeating that, so keep calm. And I will, if you want, you can start to put everything of that lessons on the piece of paper, so you can start memorizing new vocabulary. So this was a side note, but I will right now give you the 5 words. The first one, so number 1, is amar, and amar is a verb, and the verb is love. You can say eu amo alguém, I love someone. The second one, dois, is mão. Mão. And the first one, português is corpo. Starts here and on your toes. Corpo. And the first quase is aventura. Mil aventuras, 1,000 adventure. And the last one, 5, is fim. Fim. And the first part is the classic game How to Be a Tuga. So I hope you enjoy this episode, and if you do, thank you for watching, and even you don't like it, I wish you a great day, and I hope you smile today. So next week, and be happy.